All right, this is in section 4.5, and I just have a quick example that I want to go through with you because we didn't talk about what happens if A is negative. Okay. Now, the nice thing about us adding an equal sign in the problem is the fact that we can move it anywhere we want to. So we can move it over to the other side, things like that. We can always move things. So what you're going to do if your A value is negative, okay, and you'll notice in this case right now, my A value is negative. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything to the other side of the equal sign. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add x squared. I'm going to add a 7x, and I'm going to add a 12. Add an x squared, add a 7x, and add a 12. Now, over here on the left side, that cancels, that cancels, that cancels. So now my left side is 0. And now my right side is x squared plus 7x and plus 12. Okay? And so now I can take that A times C, because right now I've got A is 1, B is 7, and C is 12. So I'm going to find factors of 12 that add to 7, which in this case is 4 and 3. And now I do the same exact process. I replace the middle term with 4x and 3x, bring down my 12, bring down my x squared, bring down equals 0. It doesn't matter if the 0 is on the right side or the left side. Okay, so I group them, take out an x, left with an x plus 4. In the back side, biggest number that goes into 3 and 12 is 3. Take out a 3, then I'm left with an 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now I have an x plus 4 in common, x plus 3 left over, and we're going to set that equal to 0. And now I can set each x plus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Each parentheses there, set it equal to 0. And now I can solve it. Subtract 4. So x is going to equal negative 4. And subtract 3. So x is going to equal negative 3. Okay? So if you end up having an A value that's negative, move the x squared term so that to the other side of the equal sign so that it becomes positive and make everything go with that. And now you don't have to worry about factoring out a negative or anything like that. Okay? So you should be able to complete class kick problems for day number 2.